What's up, YouTube? So first job of the day was living room, bedroom, and a hallway. And she had mentioned in the living room there was pet problems. So I did the walkthrough, and actually we need to do every square inch of the place. You know, the odor, as soon as I walked in, you know, it's pet dander and urine. And, you know, I mean, the dog was older. They had to put it down. Understandable. I could totally understand. I just had to put my dog down. And, whoa. Hard. But you know, the situations like this, right? You know, pets become part of the family, and sometimes, you know, people get very tolerant with, you know, the accidents these dogs make, and so we're here to help that out. Thank God, right? So we're gonna do a full pet treatment, every square inch. The Green Rhino cocktail. If you don't know what the Green Rhino cocktail is, go ahead and just Google, or actually go on the YouTube and search it. I have plenty of videos on it. So it's just a mixture, you know, a formula. It's like a cocktail you get at the, you know, at the bar, but it's for carpet cleaning. So yeah, Brenda's vacuuming. There's a lot of pet hair, whole bunch of pet hair too. So real thorough vacuum. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray everything. Then we're gonna go agitate everything into the carpet, let it do its well thing. And then we'll pull everything out and clean. All right. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so we had to change our bag 3 times. Very rare I ever have to do that. This was extreme hair in this carpet. I don't think it's ever been vacuumed. I mean, in probably a year. As you can notice, after vacuuming it twice with the CRB, it's still picking up a bunch of hair. You know, there's only so much we can do. So we did our best, and we're gonna go ahead and clean now. And well, yeah, that was and actually it just plugged up my vacuum twice, so I had to go in there and pull stuff out, right? And that's a good vacuum, guys. Don't blame it on the vacuum, because again, this is actually the first time I've ever had this bad of pet hair problems. And that's where all the smells coming from, the old dog, old pet hair, you know. So hopefully once we rinse it out, everything smells a lot better. Still little pieces of hair. All right, all finished up. So yeah, that's a record for me. That's really the most dog hair that I've ever had to do. Yeah, we had to unplug our vacuum, everything. So I did let the customer know to, you know, at least vacuum once a week or so. But Brenda said she actually said that they never vacuum, and it explains it. All right, the heavy odor and all that stuff. So yeah, it just took us probably about 20 minutes longer than normal because of the amount of hair and a lot of that, as you could tell in the living room, it did not go anywhere because the stain's just been there forever. I mean, for years and years and years. This carpet's never been cleaned. Not all stains can be removed, so I did some post spray on it, some organic treatment, peroxide type products on those stains in the living room there, because you know, it definitely organic, but just been there so long. Yeah, they won't go nowhere. So all I can do is explain to the customer that. She's very understanding, of course, and yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next one.